If you want your talking head videos to look more engaging and professional, then learning how to add eye contact in CapCut is a super useful trick. This feature can help it look like you're looking directly at the camera, even if your eyes drift a little while filming. It's especially helpful for tutorials, vlogs, talking videos, and any content where strong viewer connection matters. And if this video helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick CapCut tutorials just like this. Let's jump in. First, open CapCut and import your video clip into the project. You can do this by dragging the clip straight onto the timeline or by using the import option and adding the file from your device. Once your video is on the timeline, make sure you select the clip by clicking directly on it. When the clip is highlighted, the Properties panel should open, which is where you'll find the settings you need. Now look to the top right corner and click the Video tab. Inside that menu, select Basic. This is where CapCut keeps a lot of the core video adjustments and smart features. Scroll through the options until you find eye contact. Depending on your version of CapCut, the feature may take a moment to analyze your footage before it becomes available. So if you don't see it right away, give it a few seconds to process. Once the analysis is complete, check the box next to eye contact. CapCut will automatically work on locking your gaze toward the camera, which helps your video feel more direct and polished. This can make a big difference in how confident and connected you look on screen, especially if you recorded your video while glancing slightly off-center. After you enable it, play back the clip and review the result. If needed, you can compare it with the original footage to see how much of a difference it made. In most cases, the effect is subtle, but that's what makes it feel natural. You still look like yourself, just with improved eye alignment that helps hold attention better. If you're creating content for YouTube, social media, or short-form video, this is one of those simple CapCut edits that can instantly improve your presentation. It doesn't take a long time, and once you know where to find it, you can use it again and again on future videos. Just remember, the key steps are import your clip, select it, go to video, choose Basic, and then turn on eye contact once the analysis finishes. So that's how to add eye contact on CapCut in just a few easy steps. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another quick editing guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.